Let's fix email notifications not working on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app, and here, first of all, tap on notifications. Under notification settings, tap on schedule summary, and here make sure to turn off this option. Tap on show previews, and here select always. Then scroll down and tap on mail, and make sure to enable mail notifications, and also check lock screen alerts, notification center alerts, and banner alerts. So enable all of these options, and here sounds, tap on that and select a notification sound from here, and make sure to turn on badge option. Show previews, select always, and after that go ahead and check the issue. And if you're not getting any notifications from Gmail email, then here's how to enable Gmail. So from this notifications list, you have to find out Gmail and tap on Gmail, enable Gmail notification, turn on these three options and enable sounds and badge. Show previews, select here always. Now on, you should get all notifications for new email for Gmail app and mail app. And if you're still not getting any notifications, then in this case you have to turn off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. Open your control center, and here if you turn on any DND mode, then make sure to turn off do not notification mode, because if your focus or do not disturb mode is turned on, then you won't get any notification. So make sure to disable focus mode and then go ahead and check the issue. And the next solution is, if you turn on silent mode on your iPhone, then you won't get any notification, right? So make sure to disable silent mode using the physical button, or you can enable or disable silent mode by going to your settings, and here tap on sounds and haptics, and make sure to increase the ringtone and alert volume. And now on, you should get all notifications from Gmail and mail app. And if you're still not getting notification, in this case you have to check for a new update. So go to your iPhone settings app and tap on general, tap on software update, and here if you see any new update available, then update the new iOS version, and this will fix the error. Thanks for watching.